So raise your hand if you're ever using Canva um, to add photos to a project that you're working on. So either you have a really great photo that you're adding, maybe it's a product that you're selling, or a photo that you took for marketing purposes or whatever it might be, or maybe you're using a stock photo or a photo right from Canva's library. So very common, right? Especially if we market on Instagram, for example, very photo driven. So one of the tricky things I think that can happen with Canva and designing and making things sort of all come together in an intentional way is color. And I've done a video before on color palettes and setting those up when it comes to your brand kit. But often if we're going to be taking a photo of something that we sell or something we've done or whatever it might be, something that we want to share with our audience, the colors in that photo may have nothing to do with our brand palette, which is totally fine. So how do we easily find the colors to make that design pop and look cohesive with the photo that we found? So today what I'm going to show you is this really fun new feature that Canva recently released that's actually called photo colors. And Canva kind of does the work for you and gives you a nice little color palette that matches the photo that you've added to your project. So let's take a quick look at what that does. All right, so I've come into my Canva account, and what I'm going to do is just click to create a new design. I'm going to click right on that button, and I'm going to go ahead and choose Instagram posts, because I think Instagram posts are one of the common projects that people design in Canva that they want to add a photo to. So for the purposes of this demo, I'm going to just click a post that already has a photo in it from Canva's sample template. So let's just go ahead and select this one. Okay, so now what we want to do is say we have a photo that we want to replace this picture with. So I'm just going to go ahead and click right on this image, and I'm going to delete it out. And then I'm going to come up to Photos, Canva, and let's just find a good one that we want to add to our post. There's my cat meowing, so don't mind her. She's just fine. So we're going to pop that in there, and we can go ahead and resize it so that we can move our. All right, so now I'm going to actually move this up. It's bugging me. So now we have our strawberry image, but we have this color palette that just does not at all match our image. It kind of looks not appealing to the eye. So we're going to now go through the process of finding the right colors to update the design of this template. All right, so what you'll notice is this template's made up of a few different elements and then this sort of beige background color. So the first thing I want to do is change my background color. So I click on that, I can see the beige here, lets me know I have the right object selected, and when I click on that, it's going to take me to the color palette section, the color selection section of my Canva account, and I can see the document colors. And then I can see all of my color palettes that I created, which is part of the brand kit feature. I have the Canva Pro level account, so I can have multiple palettes, as you see. And then right here below my palettes is this new section called Photo Colors. And you can see my photo right here, and you can see the colors that Canva has decided are good options based on the picture that I have. So let's go ahead and make a change there, and we can play around with this. The next thing we want to do is change this guy over here. So we can select that and choose our color. Same thing, we're going to scroll down to our pictures, and then we can change that one, and we can change our text. And there we have it. I think what I'm going to do, just because this side is so much darker, is I'm going to actually swap colors, but that's how easy it is to play around with editing in Canva. So if you're not super familiar with it, it's that simple. And there we have it. So we've just gone ahead and taken our original, which let me show you what our original looks like. I should have made a copy so that I could have easily shown you. But here's our original. And now when we click here, I can show you from the page manager our two templates side by side. And so, that's template, original template, and the new template that we just created. And how much time did that take us? So definitely want you to go ahead and check out the new photo colors feature of Canva. I think it's going to be a game changer for a lot of people. Let me know what you think. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel as I put new videos out about Canva and design in general. You'll be able to get notified of those. And let me know if you have any questions. I will chat with you soon.